Okay. All right, we're back. Cool. So let's see. Um, yeah, I think this is it. Like you could probably add. So that's the pricing section done. Next up is FAQs. For FAQs, it's really just going to be this thing, and then you show and you hide. Uh, let's see if ChatGPT can help us with this. I mean, it should be able to, right? This should be a walk in the park. Code up and AQ component. I mean, I'm sure Tailwind UI has some sort of FAQ component as well, right? Or Catalyst, probably Catalyst. Uh, docs, components, docs. Where are the components? Huh, okay. Here it is. Right, all right. Oh, it doesn't do the fancy animation though. Doesn't matter? No, it doesn't. All right. Huh, okay. Um, toggle FAQ. Okay, cool. That should help tremendously. Uh, that's unnecessary. You would just, yeah, do this. All right, so in the FAQ section, oops, in the FAQ section here, um, you're gonna split the thing in half. And what? Only works in client components. Ah, right. Okay. Okay, maybe we should ask ChatGPT to consider this. Don't use, this will be in a server component. So replace the, purely a CSS. All right. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know how to do this. I think it uses CSS, like the has property in CSS, but I honestly have no clue how that works. But I just know that it's possible to do. All right. Okay. No idea how we're gonna get this like actually done in CSS. I think you'd add it to the globals. Yeah, just add it to globals. Okay. So none of this stuff here. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. So do not use empty rule set. All right. Cool. Let's see if it actually works. Uh, I mean, you can have like multiple ones open at the same time, so that's a bit annoying. The thing doesn't change, so the plus doesn't change to a minus. Also annoying. Okay, this is looking ridiculous. Ridiculous, I tell you. Of course, the answer here is pretty simple. All you need to do is checkbox, dialog drop-down field set link list box. Huh. Now it's showing double pluses. Okay, plus minus, minus plus plus. All right, looks like we're using the Tailwind UI components. I mean, it's not even about the Tailwind UI component. It's actually about um, creating a client component. That's what I needed to do in the beginning, but I was getting too lazy. So I think I have that. All right. Or maybe just do this, right? Um, um, yeah. Export default FAQ component. type of parameters. Hmm. Cool. All right. So you go here, and all you need to do is pass in your FAQs. And class name, yeah, that's unnecessary. All right, cool. Um, yeah, that should fix your issue. Looks like rubbish, but it works. Ba, ba, ba. Centered accordion. Yeah, yeah. I think centered accordion is exactly what you're after. Nice. All right, so now it's okay. You got the FAQ component set up, and of course now, the FAQ section is not anything like what you need it to be, and that's what we're gonna fix now. So we'll take this bit over here. Um, Flex call justify center. No, this is gonna be a flex row. Um, we're not going to justify center. Y32. Okay. PX4 on mobile. Okay. And then you're gonna have H1, and then you're gonna have like the actual component. Close the div. Close the other div. Yeah. Of course, this looks weird because it's a flex. I think it needs to be a grid with grid calls to. Yeah, it looks better. This is not going to be centered. And I mean, and maybe it's going to be more like yeah. larger width than the typical, right? Um, so max width might be 6XL instead. And then you need to fix the formatting for this. Instead of gray, it's going to be stone, and okay. We already have some questions. Don't remember where I left it. Okay, it's deprecated. Minus small icon. What happened? Where is the copy? Add that here. Alright, so that's gonna be the list of questions. Right. I think that's that with the FAQ section. Looks pretty good. I don't think there's anything else I need to do here. Get rid of stuff. Okay, that's FAQs. That's it. Like now we just got the footer, some illustrations, and work on responsiveness. Looking pretty good so far. I mean, obviously, like the illustrations look like rubbish, but we'll get to that in a minute. And then still need to record the actual demo video, right? Cool. I'm thinking like maybe you could add a another testimonial section right here, like just underneath all that. You can add another testimonial. Yeah, it doesn't really work. Color doesn't really work. Yeah, thing is, like, it actually has HTML inside, so you can't just um, the HTML for the actual highlighting, right? So you can't just fit. Uh, huh. I mean, you can use elements, right? Or maybe what you could do is just have that be children, right? And then you could provide name. So name would be string, and then you would deal with children. Uh-huh. That would make like way more sense. Where to go? Uh, and this part here, so this just becomes children. And then, like the actual name, where does the name go? Right here. Cool. I think the before content is actually optional. I don't know why you added. It works just fine without it. Interesting. Cool. All right. What do you need to do now? Right. So another testimonial. Oops. Looks like I've been using the wrong one. All right, cool. Don't want to waste too much time on this. Next up is the footer. Uh, yeah, so there's like a call to action just ahead of the footer itself. So we can do that. CTA section footer. Don't know what that's about, but okay. it's just copying the same thing. Oh, yeah, that actually works. It's simple. I like it. Anyway, yeah, that doesn't really do it. What we'll do now is, I actually think we should drop the testimonial until we fix the styling. The FAQ section, and then right underneath, have the CTA, and CTA is going to be inside. It's going to be similar to that last one, so BGLO. Actually, probably closer to whatever the pricing was about. Cool. All right, that's your CTA section done, and down here we've got this. Probably needs like NT4, but that's probably just a privacy policy, terms of service. We need to add. Oh, so I think with that, we are done with the footer section. Um, and then naturally you need to generate TOS, privacy, policy, pages. All right. These are the overflow tasks we'll do in a next video. Right now we just need to add illustrations and implement responsiveness. I'll do responsiveness first, just so I get the coding stuff out of the way. All right, so let's see. This looks pretty good. I think I kind of designed it with responsiveness in mind. The spacing here is ridiculous. Testimonial section. EY32. I don't think that's a testimonial section's problem. Seems like a problem of like the with without section. Yeah, PB is 48. Wow, okay. So PB should be like closer to 12 maybe. Or like 16. Yeah. Then spacing on testimonial is a bit too much. So keep that on MD, and then maybe we could just make it 16. Right, 24. And it's off center. The quotation mark is off center. We do translate y half. I think you meant translate x half. And you can still do translate y half if that's what you really want. Okay, looks nice. The bookmark thing looks off. I'm not really sure how we would fix that. Unless you do no BR, but you're not going to be able to get that on one line anyway. So maybe you would need to make the text smaller. Yeah, probably. So on MD, I mean, here you can just make it 2XL. Yeah, but now it just looks weird. And 2XL is a bit too small. With this font, it doesn't really work. How do you do highlight effect with CSS? Highlight text effect with CSS. Highlight containers and line block. This looks good, and it kind of addresses the problem that we had. So the highlight is display inline. It's using box shadow. Interesting. Okay. So instead of a pseudo element, it's using a box shadow. Nice. Alright, alright. Interesting. Alright. Um, box shadow. Hmm. Why is it modifying the testimonial section instead of just the... Oh, it's very... Hmm. Archetype. Oh, there's actually a tag? Huh, no kidding. What do you do? BG. What? Okay. That's not very often that you actually come across something which is, you've got an actual HTML tag for. Unbelievable. Wait, how's it look on desktop? Nice. Crazy. Nice. Cool. All right. So that addresses the issue with the highlighting. All right. Cool. Of course, the text itself is showing up as black. I don't know if you want to do that. That's not how you would expect the text play 500. Not slate though. It was rock. Oh, yeah, 600 probably. All right. Turn your bookmarks stash. So let's see how it works section here. Um, so I think first off, like the spacing on the section is way too big. PY 32. It probably needs to be PY 18 or 24. There's no such thing as 18. Okay, 24. That works. Text is too big. Text 5XL. It's kind of similar to this. Maybe 5XL becomes 3XL. Okay, and then you have your flex, which is flex row, and then on MD becomes flex row, but it's actually flex call with a gap Y of 2, but MD, you don't have a gap. Really, you're not going to have any elements. Okay. I guess when you do Lex call, you don't actually need it to be reversed. Right. So import, auto categorize. Okay. Of course, the whole section needs to be p-4, px-4, and then gap y. Is gap y 2 enough? Kind of feeling like no. Text is too big. So are the images. Like, okay. And then text to Excel isn't working. All right, audio section now. PY32, we're gonna replace that with PY, what was it, 16? You probably need some sort of header or something to show that this is actually a video, since you don't have yeah, you don't have that sign hidden on mobile. So I'll just do MD hidden and 3-minute demo. How did it end up going? Oh, okay. I'll put it on top of it then. Not sure why you have relative inside. Oh, like just get rid of that. And then add relative to this. That work on desktop? Yeah, it works just fine. Alright, cool. And these like 6. The spacing is way too much. I'm thinking it's probably like, do we add, is it PY16? No. I mean, where is that coming from? It's probably the features we got going on here. Like PY32 is PY24. Okay, I mean maybe that's okay for the top, but for the bottom, like pull it in. 12, even less than 12. Probably get by with 6. Okay, that's okay. Nice. I like this. This is bold. Stop hoarding. Start taking action. It's a bit too big though. Let's try making it a bit smaller and let's just see if that makes it look any better. So on mobile, you probably want it. I'm not gonna do 3XL. Let's see 4XL. I like it. I like it. Looks great. Looks fantastic. Although I do sense that there's a difference between the colors here. So this should definitely be stone 800 and probably closer to 600 actually. Yeah. Double quotes. Not sure if that's the one. No. Double D quote. I don't know. I'm making these up. I'm making up these HTML entities here. I know there's like right quote. Oh man, it just broke. Okay. Alright, okay. Relax. Just remove that. What? You gotta be kidding me. Alright. The whole thing just broke? There's an extra div. Is that it? Unexpected token. Okay, yeah. I don't know what happened there, but what else? Whoops, daisy. Oops. Let's undo whatever we did because something broke. Oh, I accidentally deleted. I deleted something. Okay, there we go. It's still deleted. Oh, okay, that's what happened. Okay. I just cleared off an entire div. Okay. Alright, there we go. Cool. So, all-in-one is stone 700. This could be like 500. Yeah, it's sort of in line with everything else. HTML entity double quote. End quote is processed as okay. End quote. So that's what it was. I tried that, didn't I? Nice. Okay. Make this spaced out a little bit more. All right, this should be 500. Oh, did that. All right, all right, all right. Cool. So this is looking good. Stop parting, start taking action. Spacing on the top is a bit too much. Let's cut it back. Just like all the others. 20, I think. Yeah. Whoa, what's going on with the FAQ section? Let's take a look. All right. Max at 6XL, MX Auto, PY32. Sorry, so the same thing, right? PY20. Grid on MD, it's going to be two, otherwise, it's just going to be a single grid. And yeah, already got spacing sorted. The text is too big. Nice. Okay, cool. Looks beautiful. And then the last section down here, uh, man, same thing. Like, I'm just repeating myself here, which kind of points to the fact that I probably need to refactor this, but I really can't be bothered right now. I just want to get it over with. Well, not really. I mean, I think it looks pretty decent, so far. It doesn't look bad. It definitely missing some touches here and there. I kind of feel like the proportions are off in some place. In some places, spacing here is just bad. Let's fix that. PY2. Oh no, that's over there. It's the paragraph underneath. All right. Wait. No, it's actually this. So here you have MT6. Fine on desktop. Let's, do like MT3 on mobile. Looks better. The paragraph is too far from that place. Why is it an H1? H1? Oh man, like H3, if even that. Could that be why? No. Drop the PY2 or just keep it on larger devices. Okay. Yeah, looks nice. I like it. Lastly, we have the footer section. I don't know if there's anything I would want to change here. Probably just give it more text spacing, um, like way more. Maybe PX12. Yeah, that works. And just change the color of the link, man. Like, why are they the same color as everything else? Make it like slightly lighter. That's not slightly lighter, that's way lighter. 500. And then just underline them. Wait, what happened? Cool, looks good. Alright, boys. Let's take a look at the desktop view once more, just make sure we haven't screwed anything up. Uh, I think it'd be helpful to have some sort of arrow here, just pointing like before and after. Right? The illustrations are horrible. I really need to do something about the illustrations. I think they're the only part that really looks off now. And then, yeah, everything else looks okay. This is kind of dark. Like, I feel like this is too empty. we need something going on, like maybe off the side. You have some sort of element, maybe some stars or some, I don't know what it would look like. Uh, the video is nice. It kind of adds some space, but this bit here just looks super empty. And it might just be because we don't have a nav bar at the top, which is something that we do need to add. So just links to the like pricing section and FAQs and whatever. So I'll add that on there. Nav bar with links in the top. Like pricing, FAQ, or CTA, of course. Cool. So as far as responsiveness, let's just double check. All right, okay. Looks good, looks good. Demo, pricing. Nice! I don't think we have anything else to do in terms of responsiveness. So that takes care of that. Now I just need to sort out the illustrations. How though? I mean, I want to include like actual illustrations from the app itself, but at the same time, I don't want it to look like crap. So how do you do that? How do you do that? Like we could do it with a video. So this section over here. Oh, I just noticed the numbering is not shown, right? So we don't have like number two and number three. Okay. Yeah. So this could probably be like its own illustration, following the color scheme of the page. Um, okay. Why do I have this open? Right. Okay. All right. Cool. So let's get rid of the mobile view for a second. So illustrations. Yeah, we can do a quick video here of this part. So replace this with an actual video, and then kind of similar to this, right? Yeah, it would be similar to this. And then looking for something specific, I think that part would definitely be a video. Auto categorization could be a short video, it could be an image, um, like just showing loading bookmarks, and then suddenly it like comes up with its own list of categories. So it kind of shows you that, or maybe it's okay. I don't think you need to do anything here. You just keep the list. Um, import your bookmarks. Yeah, yeah. So really, all we need is a video for this section over here. This screenshot needs to be better. Like, get rid of the white space. Just make it. I don't know. Make it blend in a little bit more. Add a nice like hover effect as you move over it. Something like do something. Do something just to make it blend. Um, get rid of the white space. That just doesn't work. You know, maybe even recreate it in JSX. So that way you're able to customize it a little bit more. I don't know. Like the illustrations, I don't think they're wrong because they do illustrate what's going on, but they just feel off. So some slight design changes there. So let's record the video for this bit over here, creating a new category. The way I'm going to do this is just go to the mobile view. All right. Up the mobile view. We're going to use Screen Studio for this. Let's open up Screen Studio. I'm curious if this is actually going to work while I'm live streaming, or if it's going to become laggy. We'll see. What's going on? Why is this stuck? Oh, all right. Let's update. Come on, come on. There we go. Nice. So what we're going to demonstrate is adding a category. So I'll wait until screen. Oh, that was quick. That was a quick update right there. Um, cool. Okay, so we're going to be selecting, drag the area you want to record. Right, so we'll just go ahead and pick out this area here. And yeah, start recording. Oh, I already have bootstrapping on here. So let me just stop the recording. That's the recording. Let me just get rid of bootstrapping category. Yeah, there are a bunch of them. I think this is super good. Okay, get rid of it. Um, was there anything else I've added? Copywriting. Yeah, okay. Cool. So now we can do the actual recording. Uh, record the area. Yeah, here we go. Add category. Wait, there's a typo. Try again. For the, I kind of feel like maybe we could start off with some better tweets, right? Um, content creation and writing. Okay. Cool. So yeah, let's do the recording. It was already there. Oh man. Okay, let me just restart. This time I'm gonna make sure to clear it, and then we can do the recording again. All right. So there is nothing. Right. Add category. Fast forward to this bit over here. Cool. So that's done. It should actually show a proper completion thing, but it doesn't. Bootstrapping talks about mega thread of all services. Okay, bootstrap. Nice. Oh, look, there's and amp. All right, not perfect. Not perfect. And do a crop here. Okay, crop the recorded area. We want it to be one by one. Okay, confirm changes. Okay, that looks pretty bad. Wow, that looks horrible. The zoom. So yeah, you need to adjust the zoom, obviously. Oh, okay. When you adjust the zoom, like that background starts showing. Probably adjust the background too, right? Something that'll fit into whatever it is we're doing. Fixed color or an image. All right, maybe something like this, right? It's yellowish, so kind of fits. Maybe we could just get the exact same color. Where are you gonna embed it? Here. Cool. So just take this color. So pick that color. All right. Cool. Um, so it's gonna be color, and we paste in that color. Nice. Give it a smaller padding and get rid of the shadow. Like, what do you need the massive shadow for, right? I mean, a bit of a shadow is fine. Yeah, just a bit of a shadow. Okay, cool. What's the inside doing? No, we don't need any inside. Okay, advanced shadow setting. No, don't mess with it. Anyway, so coming back to this, you go to Bookmark Manager, and then what? Like it just disappears? Where is this focused on? Uh, okay. How do you? Ah, manual. That's what we need. All right, so you want to pull it down. Wait, what happened? Where's the rest of it? What? Where'd the rest of the clip go? So I know I cropped it, but oh, okay, all right. Okay, so when you crop, you can't do like dynamic crop. You gotta crop to like, okay, I mean, that's a problem, right? This gonna be a problem. Uh, this is gonna be a problem. No, I mean, okay, I'm just gonna return it to how it was. There's probably a different way to do this. Uh, like how do you adjust wide, long, square? Ah, okay. All right, all right, all right. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. Okay, all right. So you're gonna start here, and then it's gonna zoom in. We're not gonna do it manually, do it automatically. Wow. Ah, you gotta zoom in. Let's do. I think it was at 200. Okay, how's that look? What's going on? Like, why is it clicking? What's with the typing, man? Like, just play it. Yeah, you probably want to zoom out. Uh, as soon as you click, so right here, and then you zoom out. So and the zoom in party here. And then just make the typing a bit quicker, you know? Like that was way too slow. So maybe up till here. Not sure what's going on here. All right, you click add category. Yeah, so here we can split. Split right over here, and then split here. And then how do you, yeah, so set the speed. Let's do 2x or 3x or whatever it is. Right, this part is fine. And then here you're gonna split, categorize, categorize, categorize. Wow, that took a while. Okay. All right. So just over here. And then this, we will set the speed to maybe 4x. Maybe you should automatically take the person to the new category so that way it just becomes easier and you don't have to like zoom in and zoom out and do the clicking thing again. Like that would be trivial. Like you could just go to the app page and then after you add a Mark, add category, uh, open dialog. Okay. Um, wait on create, and then you toast success. For some reason, the success toast was not getting shown. I don't know why that is. This definitely showed, and then this did not. Add new category to empty, and then you dismiss the dialog. So basically what you need to do is you just need to do router dot push. Wait, do you have router? No. So router equals use router, which you import from next navigation. And then we do router dot push, and um, basically, so you're gonna push to the same page, but you're gonna include the hash, uh, which you get from slugify new category. Exactly. Exactly. All right. Okay. Now we're talking. Okay. Cool. So maybe we could re-record that last bit. Ba, 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 I think. Let's see. Let's see. I know the problem is that I don't think you'd be able to. Uh, I don't think you'd be able to stitch together the two files. So it just becomes this clunky thing where you need to go through like some other app. We usually use Vidio for that sort of thing, but I think it'd just be easier to re-record the whole thing again. What a waste of time. Huh? All right, whatever. Delete the project. Get the area going. All right, let's delete the old category we had. All right, delete it. Cool, delete it. Why don't you actually show the on mobile at least you could show the message at the bottom so it doesn't cloud out this thing up here. Maybe. Anyway, well, so let me just try that now. Bootstrapping. Ah, there you go. I actually typed it out without making a mistake. All right, so this could take like 20 seconds, and then let's see if we get automatically um, redirected to the right hash. Huh, notice the URL already has that hash. Maybe it's not going to work. I don't know. Let's see. All right, it's taking forever. Something go wrong? Oh, it worked. There we go. Even though the hash was already there, it actually worked. Beautiful, beautiful. So that kind of saves you like the extra click, right? I love this. Okay. All right. We're ready. Hopefully, hopefully this time we're gonna get like proper. Let's pick, uh, yeah, marketing and branding. And this guy's talking about hiring. Uh, you think that'd show up under hiring, startup and business growth? All right. This is okay. Like, yeah, I kind of feel like this would be a good idea. This one here. Anyway, area, let's start the recording. All right, ready to go. Okay, start recording. We're gonna go here, add category. Wait, and then automatically get redirected. What happened? Oh man, you're kidding me? It didn't redirect? There it is. All right. Cool, cool, cool. I think we got what we need here. We got what we need here. So this I'm gonna make into square, and then we're gonna come back here. So right, add category, type bootstrapping. Okay, so split over here, and then finish typing here. All right, set speed like 4x. Yeah, we could start here, and we actually don't need this clip in the beginning. Push the zoom out just a sec, and then hit add category, bootstrapping. This part we definitely need to speed up, and you could cut back the zoom to here, right? Split here, wait until the weighting is done. All right, just here. So, so like 8x. I don't know what happened here. It just looked like it got dismissed and then it showed up again. Yeah, got dismissed and then showed up again. Weird, man. Like this is... All right, so here I'm just in shock. I don't actually start scrolling until here. So this part we could just delete. And then here it is. In fact, I think you could just automate the scrolling bit, like up until here. You would just breeze through it. Cool. All right, and then just cut the clip at the end. This you could probably speed up a little bit. Um, I don't think you need to, but you could probably do that. And maybe add like a bit of zoom if you like. So here we could do a bit of zoom. Manual. Yeah, you focus on the top part over here. Yeah, okay. Uh, cool, awesome. I think we got exactly what we need here. So let's go ahead and export. Um, 60 frames per second. This is going to be web. All right. So add category. I'm going to put this into downloads. Save that. Wait for that to export. And that would be our demo video. Cool. So coming back to this list, we'll just hit there. Oh, we actually recorded the demo video. Um, we'll work on the illustrations, basically do like a better version. But I think this will do it for now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break now. That was a long stream. Stretch my legs a little bit, and we'll come back and finish up the last couple items. I should be good to go on the landing page. And then everything after that will be focused on actually launching. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, adios. And don't forget, free Palestine.